Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to sew a scrunchie, which is super easy. Let's get started. I am using a thick georgette fabric today, but you can use other fabrics such as cotton, satin, etc. You will need 4 inches by 30 inches fabric. First, fold the fabric into half, right sides together, and sew along this line. I'm using a black thread, and let's start sewing. And this is how it should look. Now take the seam to the center, right sides together. I'm going to fold the top layer inwards into third and then fold the under layers in half, just like this, and sew along this under layer edge, making sure that the inner layer is not stitched. And you're going to pull the fabric through and keep sewing. When you're almost done, leave a 2-inch gap, which we will use to turn the scrunchie right side out. This is how it looks. Turn it right side out. Then I measure around my wrist to get the right length and then cut the elastic accordingly. Attach a safety pin . Find the gap we left and insert it through the scrunchie. And tie a secure knot. You can also stitch the ends together. Now it's time to close the small gap we left earlier. I'm just running a quick top stitch, but you can also hand stitch. And that's it. the scrunchie is done and ready to wear. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy sewing projects. See you next time.